Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E Class, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2016-17. If you guys have one of those, this is known as generation W212. If you need to find where your fuse boxes are located, the fuse box diagram, you have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. What's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, now let's go ahead and explain where you can find the fuse box location, fuse box diagram. We'll demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E Class. This is the pre-facelifted model, this is the facelifted model, but it should work for both. Now, first, if you guys open the hood here, okay, the first fuse box facing the engine, you have a fuse box right here, that's on the driver's side. Open that cover, underneath guys you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. You have 4 or 5 more, but before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay, some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery, and if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. Here now guys, what we need to check, okay, check out now. We're going to go again under the hood, here where your battery terminal is located guys, where you jumpstart your car. That box, okay, it looks like this one when you look at it, that's actually a fuse box. That's another angle, but if you open it, you have multiple fuses integrated in that thing. So that's another one. And if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, fuses, relays, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Next, in the trunk, under this cover here guys, go ahead and open that cover. This is the main trunk fuse box that will look like this one. After that, you have another one that's under the cover here, often under the spare tire or by the spare tire. You may have a little battery here. This is the small battery for the automatic start and stop system. Here you have another fuse. You may have 2-3 different fuses and a relay as well. Now you have some relays on the left side of the trunk, okay? That's where the aromatic reservoir is practically amplifier, and you have a relay there too. So another one that you can expect to have, guys, on the hybrids, okay, right here on the front, you may have a different fuse box as well if you have a hybrid Mercedes E-Class. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. If you have any questions, you want to see what the fuses are for, we'll make a video about every single fuse. So let's say you need a fuse for fuel pump, ABS, traction control, fuel injection, ignition coils, anything like that, just search on the channel. You watch for 1-2 minutes, find the problem, fix it, and you're back on the road. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you next time.